ठीक है.
Did you watch Dark?
I did not watch that. It's too slow, man. I
It
think
is.
Dark suffers the same problem that Breaking Bad does.
I haven't watched Breaking Bad.
See, that's the thing. They're very slow shows. Like they need to pick you up.
But they ended Dark in 3 seasons. That's what I liked about it.
I've tried, man. It's one of those things that you have to sit and concentrate. Actually, I think it's a lot to do with the lack of time also,
You mean in the show or with you?
with me in general.
Ah,
Yeah. But
in the show they had a lot of time.
they do, apparently. So, what time travel, right?
Yeah, it's about a small village which is like 4 families which are affected by time travel.
Okay.
So that village is actually existing in a time loop.
You know, I was thinking about something. What if the only way to escape time is to create your own loop out of existence?
How do you mean? Like how do you create a time loop out of existence?
Say you go 4 generations back in time
Mhm.
and you impregnate your great 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 grandmother to have your grandfather who eventually has his son who eventually has you.
Okay.
So now you have taken 4 people out of a loop of time.
तो वही तो होता है डार्क में. Exactly this.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
This is exactly what happens in the show.
Okay.
So this guy travels back, not exactly their grandparents, but like one of the older ones in the village from a different family. So
Okay.
so somebody goes from the present to the past and impregnates somebody diagonally, like
Who
some other
eventually
family.
ends up giving birth to him.
So who marries with somebody else,
Mm-hmm.
like their grandchildren marry someone else or something, and they give birth to this guy. And that is why this village is stuck in a time loop, because every 33 years there's a wormhole that
Okay.
opens in the
Okay.
because there's a nuclear reactor in that village. So every 33 years, same guy will go back in time through that wormhole, start a family with someone else, because that child
What if he kills that guy?
who
The
protagonist.
okay, no, not the protagonist. Like this is the same guy in different points in time, right? Like if I go back in time
Right.
and I see a younger version of myself,
Yeah.
I can just kill him. Like
Yeah.
I would put myself out of existence, but I would save the entire village.
If you go back in time and kill yourself
Yeah.
in the past,
In the, I mean, past the बहुत relative term हो गया since
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
cyclical now, but
I think that's what happens, right? The protagonist tries to protagonist नहीं, जो एक police officer होता है जो present में, he tries to go back
okay.
to he doesn't know at that time कि ऐसा ऐसा चल रहा है, but the original person to go back in time is a small kid.
Okay.
So then he grows up.
By the way, major spoiler ऐसे बोलना पड़ता है.
We just like everyone's watched Dark by now.
Are you serious? I'm
Yeah.
the only one who's not watched it.
Dude, it's the most crazy Netflix show I've seen after Game of Thrones.
Really?
I mean, it's not the same level, but
That's
it was
insane, yeah.
trending on Twitter. It's all over Instagram, the memes.
Fuck.
And it's in German. Can you believe it?
No, but dude, Netflix is doing this, yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, Sacred Games got popular outside India, man.
Yeah.
With like Americans
Yeah.
have watched it, and it's crazy. It just tells you कि भाई एक artist इंडिया में बैठ के भी global audience पकड़ रहा है. It's
Of course, yeah.
insane.
That's what is an advantage with these platforms, right? Now, actually, good content can come out.
Yeah.
पहले क्या था कि no one was willing to experiment / nobody was giving so much space to like
True.
creative people, right? Like people from outside.
I think also now more real stories can come
Yeah.
because now you have like a proper storytelling, platform.
Exactly.
I don't think movies work anymore if you think about it.
Because
If you've been in the habit of watching so many series, you want that character development to happen, and that can't happen in a 3-hour movie
yeah,
anymore.
of course.
You just can't relate with that person.
Yeah, movies are like snapshots of someone's life, and you're like not really that interested unless you're looking for like pure.
Unless the
Thrill.
entire movie is based on one event, like it happens within one, like
Yeah, that's what movies like. A lot of these Hindi movies, no, where
Yeah.
there's a villain, there's a hero, there's some tragedy, he needs to like seeks revenge.
yeah, that shit won't work anymore.
Yeah, but also it's like.
I mean,
done
you'll
too
find
much.
an audience, I'm sure, but it'll never be that big.
I think Salman Khan's still gonna be popular for a while.
I don't think so.
Is
I don't
I
think
think for a
either of
few
the
years-
Khans are bothered to make money.
I think Shah Rukh Khan will find it the most difficult.
Why?
Because he used to have an urban audience in the 90s.
Hmm.
That audience has grown up and has moved to Netflix.
You honestly think he can't do a Netflix special?
Oh, he can.
I
I'm
think
saying
he'll
that
do
he will
bloody good
find it
Netflix
difficult
then.
on screen, like in cinemas. On
Yeah.
Netflix, I think he can
Yeah.
be great.
On Netflix, I think
I
he'll kill
think,
it,
yeah,
man.
yeah. I think he should. Like Saif Ali Khan, dude.
Saif Ali Khan took
That
it
guy
away,
in
man.
Sacred Games was
Dude,
like
Abhishek
amazing.
Bachchan, man. Have you seen the latest one?
No,
Breathe, Into the Shadows.
no.
Holy shit. Abhishek Bachchan did a good job. Like,
Nice.
I used to have my doubts about that guy after Dostana and all that stupid shit he made in between. But this thing was a redeeming show,
Really?
man.
I'll check
Yeah.
it out. The one
Yeah,
with
yeah.
Breathe is which one? One is
Breathe
with
is,
Sushmita Sen, right?
it's got Amit Saad.
Oh, I don't know who he is.
अमित साध है और इफ यू हैव सीन ब्योमकेश बख्शी
Yeah, yeah.
उसमें जो एक गोरी सी वो नहीं होती स्टेज एक्ट्रेस who falls in love with
Yeah, मैं Byomkesh Bakshi में I was, I think, quite drunk when I went in and I just passed out.
Chuck it. It's a
But I
very
s-
side character in that.
Okay, still like that movie.
There's that Parulkar guy from
Yeah,
Game
yeah,
of
Sacred
Thrones.
Games.
Sacred Games, yeah, sorry, Sacred
Game
Games.
of Thrones. Parulkar could be in Game of Thrones though. What character would Parulkar become in Game of Thrones?
Littlefinger.
Littlefinger, no?
Littlefinger.
But then you're just saying it out of skin tone, right? Similar skin tone.
No.
Parulkar is a police guy,
Actually,
right?
yeah, wait.
He would be that Tywin, the police authority guy.
No.
Although he's
No.
not that commanding
He's not that commanding. He's always at the mercy of someone.
of the politician.
Of the politician. Even though he
Ah.
seeks revenge at the end,
Yeah.
he'd probably be either a Theon Greyjoy maybe.
No, man. He was a little protagonist-y. Like Parulkar was a bit aggressive and assertive. Theon
He'd be a
Greyjoy.
good Commissioner Gordon, if you've seen Batman films.
No. Which one is the character?
The commissioner, police commissioner.
Oh, जिसका half face हो जाता है.
No, that's the politician.
Oh.
The other guy, the guy who shoots him.
Oh, okay. I don't know who
That
you're talking
police
about.
inspector. How have you not seen Batman, man?
Bro, superhero movies have never appealed to me. I could kid you
Why?
not.
The thing is that till you haven't seen them, how can you say they've not appealed to
It's
you?
the snapshot problem.
What is the snapshot problem?
So every time you go on, like in cinema halls, right, you're looking to watch a film, but the type of problems they show in superhero movies are like, they're not actually problems, and the type of solutions are actually also not solutions. So it's just a thrill you're seeking.
But there is a storyline there. There is a message that's underlaid all this drama and action. There's
Yeah.
always character development.
Yeah, but it just seems too simplistic. Like the same reason I don't watch Rajnikant movies.
But it's not the same thing. Rajnikant movies are cartoons.
And
Superhero movies are so much more. The Batman trilogy.
They literally
the
came out
original.
of cartoons. Like literally.
No, they did not. They came out of comics.
Yeah, exactly.
So what are comics? Comics were okay. See, you look at any superhero.
Yeah.
Okay. It's an exaggeration of a currently existing story. Captain America is the friend who went to the army and came back all righteous and muscular.
Yeah.
Iron Man is the playboy who had a lot of money and fancy cars and gadgets. Hulk was the guy who was studious but then took steroids, which made him strong but also made him angry. Thor was the German student exchange program kid. You'll always find, some sort of similarity that matches a current real life human being. And that's what superheroes are. Their conflicts also are reflections of what a person might be going through. Spider-Man is the perfect example of what a teenager goes through. There's subtext all over it. White stuff coming out of you, having teenager problems, staying up at night, sticky stuff. I mean,
Yeah.
girl problems. Even the villains are always reflections of somebody a teenager might encounter.
So that's the thing. So I agree with that. Like I'm not denying.
So it's just a format of storytelling. The point is,
Exactly.
you're saying you might not relate to it is because you're seeing it at face value.
No, that format of storytelling doesn't appeal to me, is what I'm trying to say.
Probably. But there is something it's not just a cartoon. It's not just a Rajnikant film where, people don't just watch action movies because of the action. Like, it's a big misconception, and I think it's one misconception that will clear yourself off if you start watching them. Like, I would honestly highly recommend the Batman trilogy.
No, I can watch it. What I'm saying is that I will never be into it. ऐसा नहीं कि I have not watched superhero movies. I've watched a few, but it's never excited me. Like a random comedy will excite me more. Like a random stand-up, even if it's not a good one. You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Like the Game of Thrones,
You
for
know what?
example.
This entire way of exaggerating reality to make it seem story worthy, so to speak.
Mahabharat, right?
Exactly.
It's
Religion
very
is like that. All religion
Yeah.
is all like the greatest epics of storytelling have always been exaggerations of normal life.
exactly.
Not just Mahabharata, Ramayana also. I'm
Like
pretty
same
sure
reason I'm also not very big into religion. religion. You see my point, right?
that makes sense. That is
Yeah.
some consistent logic.
Exactly. So that's the only thing. I'm not very religious about Rajnikant either. I think
True.
he's a good actor, but
True. Or religious about Shiva or
anybody or
Iron Man for
anything.
that matter. Yeah.
So it's the same logical consistency that I try to follow.